Hi there, Stephanie Bernard for Ink Boutique. I have an interesting thing to talk to you about. A lot of scrapbookers really enjoy the clear stamps. And they always find them fun. They kind of find them sexy, because it's like, woohoo, clear, woohoo. And they are a lot of fun. However, at Ink Boutique, we have different colors of rubber. And you might wonder, why do they do rubber? Well, we also do clear. So I don't want you to, here's a clear set. I'm sure it's probably hard to see because it's clear. But so we do both. We do rubber and we do clear. And there's good and bad for both. I personally prefer the rubber because you can get a better image. The detail can be finer. It can be just with the clear. The designs have to be a little bigger, but they are fun. We have them, so I'm saying they are fun. But I prefer the rubber just because you just get a crisper image. They last longer. The clear tends to, they're just not meant for a lifetime stamping. But they're both fun, and I just wanted to show you how they work. They both work pretty much the same. Here I've taken one of our clear stamps. Isn't it cute? I love flowers, so it's really fun. So here's a cute clear, and we're just going to use it the same way we would a regular stamp. They automatically cling on, so you just cling it on just like that. Boom, it's on. And you know what? I usually do it this way, so we're just going to stamp it like that. Just like that. Make sure it gets nice and inked up. And you're going to stamp it. And great image. It's beautiful. Love it. It's actually a really fun flower. So, there is always a place and time for clear, and that's great. So you just pull it off, and there it is. It's just right there. And you can clean that off with a baby wipe. Now, personally, here's one of our blue, that's fun, line, and I'm just going to ink that up, and I'm going to stamp that right next to it. And you'll just see, if you look really close, you can just see that you can get a lot more fine detail with the rubber than you can the clear. And there's no wrong or right, it's just what you prefer. I like both of them, but either way, you can do it. They're just a lot of fun. But try the rubber because I have a feeling you're really, really going to like it. And the crisper image that you get is great. You clean them off with a baby wipe. They work great. And the nice thing is you really can see where you're stamping. That's something that really you need to notice is we have the indexing on the back. And I believe we're the only company that does that. We have the indexing on the back so you can see exactly where you're going to stamp. So I'm going to stamp it again, and I can line those up any way I want so they overlap. Boom, done. Isn't that easy? Now, on a clear stamp, yes, you can also see where you're stamping. So I'm going to put that on there, and I'm going to stamp that baby. And I'm just going to stamp it like that. So you can also see where you're stamping, but once it gets ink on it, it's almost the same as a rubber stamp. So another issue, and this is just my personal issue, and it might be for you too, but the rubber stamps are a little bit cheaper. You get a better quality and they're less expensive. So it's like, wait, I get a better quality and it's less expensive. Got to think about that one. So next time you see them in the store and you're looking at those clear, sexy stamps, also look at the rubber stamps because you know what? I bet you'll like those too. Until next time, I'll see you again.